Right, here we have a Harrier 41 on a Briggs Stratton engine, a HAYTER. What year is it? 2012. Right, okay. So this is the it's a electric start. Batteries, I think it's got a battery in it. I've got a charger with it. I haven't charged it yet. Don't bother charging. It's so easy to start. Right, I'm going to pull this lever up, and right, I can't get this. I'll do this with 3 hands. Okay, right, I've got that up. Okay, turn this down a bit, and that's it. Pull this now. It should be in here actually. There we go. Okay, now to find some grass. Okay, I think we've got some grass over here. Yeah, this will do. Okay. Right, okay. Houston, we got a problem. This is set too high. Lower it a bit. Okay. I was wondering why I wasn't cutting any grass. Okay, here it goes then. Okay. There you can see it's cut a line of grass. Right, there you have it. There we go. HAYTER Harrier 41.